After many centuries, research suggests new facets to the blinking demon star. Lauri Jetsu, an astrophysicist at the University of Helsinki, is following a tradition that may stretch back thousands of years. For more than a decade, he's studied the bright star Algol, one of the most unusual stars in the sky, with its brightness visibly changing every few days. His research suggests those fluctuations have been noted since at least ancient Egyptian times, and he believes observations made more than 3,000 years ago can contribute to the modern scientific understanding of why Algol behaves as it does. Jetsu's latest study, published last month in the Astrophysical Journal, suggests the so-called demon star could be orbited by up to 5 more stars, most of them too dim to see. "It was a surprise to me," he said. "The probability of finding just 2 more stars is very low. No one has found this many." Algol takes its name from the Arabic phrase Ras Algol, meaning the demon's head, a name shared by a villain in Batman. It's long been considered an unlucky star, possibly because of its changes in brightness. Astronomers have known since the 1880s that Algol is an eclipsing binary star. Its changes in brightness are caused by 2 stars orbiting only a few million miles apart, so that they look like one star here on Earth. The bright light from the larger star is blotted out every few days by its dimmer and much smaller companion. But scientists argue whether tiny variations in the light from Algol could be caused by even more stars orbiting in the system. To answer that, Jetsu applied a new mathematical method to years of recorded data of the light from Algol and revealed regular signals that suggest there may be up to 5 companion stars in the system. One of the companions is already known to be Algol's third star, which orbits the central pair at about twice the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Many other stars have an orbiting companion star, so-called double stars, or binaries, and a few have evolved to have 3. But the new study adds strength to the idea that the Algol system has up to 4 more companion stars that are yet to be seen. Jetsu said the companions will have to be verified by observations, perhaps with an astronomical technique called interferometry, to distinguish their light from the glare of the 2 main stars. Jetsu and his colleagues have published 4 research papers on Algol, and he bears a hieroglyphic tattoo on his right hand that gives the star's ancient Egyptian name. "Put it there in 2018 because it took us about 10 years to publish our results, and 2 of my co-authors died during that time," he said. He suggests the ancient Egyptians had noted Algol's changes in brightness, which can be seen with the naked eye. It becomes noticeably dimmer for about 10 hours almost every 3 days, when the smaller star of the closely orbiting central pair eclipses or passes in front of the larger star. Jetsu's research also suggests that changes in the duration of Algol's eclipses recorded in ancient and modern times, he proposes they're now almost half an hour shorter than 200 years ago, can be used to determine how fast Algol's smaller central star is being eaten up by the gravity of its larger star, as astrophysical theories predict. It's not known for sure, but the idea that Algol was an unlucky star may have been adopted from Egypt by the ancient Greeks, who decided that it represented an eye in the head of the Gorgon Medusa.